Good morning to you all. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. It's still your friend, Mr. Chika Anyanwu. Please don't forget to like me on YouTube. Chika Anyanwu is my name. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my videos, my math videos. You will learn new things from there, right? Also go to my TikTok at Arnold Schwarzenegger. Learn new things from there as well, right? Like and share my video and follow it. God bless you. Thank you so much. It's me, your friend this morning. I've come this morning with a beautiful question. The question we have this morning is what? On polynomials. Polynomials is a Cambridge mathematics, is a further mathematics on Cambridge. I brought it this morning for us to look at it together. So the question is, given that 2s squared plus s minus 1 is a factor, mark that word, of 2s cubed minus s squared plus as plus b. Therefore, find the values of a and b. Find the values of what? A and b. And what we're about to do that this morning is that. So, we begin with this. Since this is a factor, since 2s squared plus s minus 1 is a factor of this, so let us find the root of this equation. So, we're going to say 2s squared plus s minus 1 equal to what? 0. Since it's a factor, so the root will give us equal to what? 0. So we're factorizing this one, when we factorize it, is the product is minus s 2s squared and the sum is plus s. So this is the sentence 2s squared plus 2s minus s minus 1. When we factorize, right? Now this is into this is into this. Okay? Now what is common here is what? 2s. What we are left is what? S plus 1. Now what is common here? Minus 1 into s minus times minus plus 1 equal to what? 0. So what we have now is 2s minus 1, this one, into what is common here? Take 1. So s plus 1. Since these are factors, so they are the same. Take one of them equal to what? 0. So either 2s minus 1 equal to what? 0, or s plus 1 equal to what? 0. Viewers, I know you are following. Thank you so much. So here, 2s here will give us 2s here will give us equal to minus 1 crosses over will give us 1. Right? And then in this case, s will be equal to plus 1 crosses over the quantity and becomes what? Minus 1. Right? So here, finally, our s will be equal to 1 over 2 in this case, which is the root of this equation, which is also a factor of this, right? Okay? And then again, in this case, s will be equal to minus 1. Good. Now let's go over to the other part of the board so that we can continue from there, right? Now, viewers, since we have been able to find the root of this equation, and the root of this equation are also factors of this. Alright? So the root of this equation will also be the root of this equation, since this is a factor of this, right? So what we will do is substitute each case here so that we can find the values of a and b. So let's record this back. This is f of s, this one, equal to 2s cubed plus minus s squared plus as plus b. So when s is equal to 1 over 2, we put it here. So we have f of 1 over 2. Anywhere you see s, you put 1 over 2. So we have 2 into 1 over 2 raised to power what? 3 minus 1 over 2 raised to power what? 2 plus a into 1 over 2 plus b. That's what we have. Remember, it will give us equal to 0 since it's a factor of that as well. So raising this 1 raised to power 3 is 1. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So we have what? 2 times 1 over 8. That's what we have here. Minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1. 2 raised to power 2 is what? 4. Plus 8 times 1 is 8 over 2. Plus b equal to what? 0. I will follow you. Beautiful. Now 2 can cancel itself. 1 cancel 8, 4. So what we have here now is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus a over 2 plus b over 1 equal to what? 0. And I made sure everything is in fraction. So what is the distance here? The distance between 4, 2 and 1 is 4. And we take 4 here. I'll follow you as okay. 4 divided 4 will give us 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1 minus 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1, right? So we have what? 1 plus 2 people share 4 oranges will give us 2 oranges. 2 times A will be what? 2A plus 1 divided by 4 is what? 4. 4 times B is what? 4B. Remember everything equal to 0 since it's a factor. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. What we now have is what? 2A plus 4B equal to what? 0 over what? 4. Right? When we cross multiply here, you can see that we have 2A plus 4B will be equal to, this 4 times 0 is what? 0. So 4 vanishes. So we call this equation 1. Or let's make it in a way, if we divide this equation 1 by 2, we are going to have A here. 2 divided by 2, we have A here left, plus 2 divided by 4, that is 4 over 2 will give us 2B equal to 0. Or A will exactly what? Will equal to minus 2B. We can call this equation 2. So we have gotten something we need. Then, when S equal to minus 1, we put it back in this equation. So we are having f of minus 1 will be equal to, anyway, you see S equal to what? Minus 1. We have 2 into minus 1 raised to power what? 3 minus 1 into raised to power what? 2 plus A into minus 1 plus B. That's what we have. Okay? So minus 1 raised to power 3 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Alright? Minus 1 squared is positive 1. Positive 1 times minus will give us minus 1. So now minus times plus will be minus. A times 1 is what? A. So plus B. Okay, what we have now is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So we have minus 3 minus A plus B. Remember, equal to 0 equal to 0. Alright? So let us also make A the subject of this equation so that we can equate 1 and 2. Here, minus A will be equal to minus B. This 3 crosses over plus 3, or multiply both sides by minus sign. We have A will be equal to B minus 3. This is equation 3. So we put 3 and 2 together. Now watch. Since the left hand sides are equal, there is A, here is A. That means the right hand side will be equal. So we're going to equate minus 2B will be equal to B minus 3. So we're going to have minus 2B will be equal to B minus 3. Okay, good. So let's collect items. We now have minus 2B. This B crosses over becomes minus B will be equal to minus 3 is left here, right? Good. So minus 2B minus 3 will give us minus 2B minus B will give us minus 3B will be equal to minus 3. So therefore, when we divide both sides by the coefficient of B, but the coefficient of B here is minus 3, you have that our B is exactly equal to exactly equal to what? 1. It's exactly equal to what? 1. We've been able to find our value of B. Subsequently, remember that we said that in equation 1, A is equal to minus 2B. So what we do is take this 1, B equal to 1, multiply it. So we have minus 2 times 1 will be equal to minus 2. So A is equal to minus 1. So we have what? A equal to minus 2, sorry. Because minus 2 times 1 is what? Minus 2. So therefore, we've been able to find the values of A and B. The value of B is B equal to what? 1, and the value of A is what? Minus 2. So when you put them back here and solve this equation, you see what we are looking at is correct, right? I thank you so much. I know you enjoyed it, but if you have any problem, please don't forget to drop your answers on our comment section. Thank you. God bless you.